What's up, everybody? I have some awesome things to show you today in a quick video. I'm hoping for maybe 5-minute video about the Discord. So I am a expert. I was going to say member. I was a member. I was a paying member to Stockmo Academy Academy. Sorry, I'm trying to say expert too many times. I'm so excited about this. Woosah, right? Okay, I want to do a video and show you inside view of the earners level to our Discord. Okay, it is a wonderful community full of people. There's like hundreds to maybe even over 1,000. I don't have a full access to the entire panel of or list of how many people are in it, but I know it's full. It's busy. And there's so much to learn and do. So I want to show you this landing page. I'll put this link in my description. And when I joined, it was it's always you're always like, well, what I'm paying for access to what? What am I going to see? Now in some of Stockmo's videos, he shows you some of the inside, but I want to do a few extra minutes of a bit more to what you're going to get. So if you use my link, you get access to the earners level or the learners level. Learner is a lower tier. You do get less access to certain things. It is more affordable, but 50 a month, you can do one simple play a month and earn that back time and extra. There are new members coming in all the time that will do a little bit of learning with us, and they'll do a quick in and out 20-30% on an options play and make $100. And there you go. You've paid for the membership and you've got a bit extra in your portfolio. So what I do want to preface all this with is we are not a copy service. Stockmo Academy is not going to tell you when to buy, when to exit, anything like that. We are going to show you charts. We're going to show you live trading. We're going to show you the expert panels, and we're going to discuss all sorts of things from futures to options to stocks to government federal rate cut stuff, articles, all that good stuff. Everything's going to change your investments. We will cover in the academy. So let's get right to it. I'm going to show you a few things here. So like I said, this description or this link will be in the description as well. And $50, give it a shot. Try us out for a month. If you hate it, well, we move on, right? If you love it, then you make money and you hang out with us. So this is the landing page, and this is Stockmo. I want to show you this real quick. Pause the video and read this if you want. This is our guru, our leader. Him and his wife and the family, they built this Discord, and he's an amazing guy. Like his whole family is wonderful. And so pause, read that, but we're gonna move on. We're gonna go over the Discord. So this is your starting here, your landing page for the Discord, and this explains the learner and earner tier. If you're in here, you're in one of those already, right? So like I said, you can jump into earners if for some reason it's too expensive, you don't see the value, you can drop down to the learner side. You can just, downgrade, that's fine. Or if you come in as a learner, you can upgrade to the earner. You did see over here, there was a lifetime earners spot. Obviously, no one's going to jump into that without knowing what it's like. But if you want to save your monthly and you have the gumption, jump right over to the lifetime earners, and then you're in forever. So here we are. This is our Discord landing page. This is the start here. You come in here to learn all sorts of stuff. Rules, directions, how to do it, the announcements, everything that we have new coming in is placed right in here. All of this left side panel, there is so much over here. When I first started, I was like completely overwhelmed. And you get it. You get there eventually. In the earners tiers, you get access to all of these alerts. The selling alerts, the buys alerts, the options alerts, everything that Mo does, he puts up in here. He'll tell you what and when with expiration dates and whatnot, but he's not going to tell you that you need to do this, right? You can copy if you want to, but that's not going to be a do this now, exit now, type of thing. Here's one of the option plays that he put up that actually ran really well. This one was wonderful. So say, hey, we're getting stopped out, my stop loss hit, whatever, or hey, we're at a nice profit, I'm going to sell. Conceptually, you can copy that, but we're not going to say you should do this. His portfolio link, his portfolio chat, everything right here that will show you what his personal portfolio is like. People asking questions all over the place, you know. Class library is accessible with the learner side. So the lower tier, you do get access to the class library. This is videos on all sorts of things market. I mean, it goes on and on and on. This is accessible and included with your membership to both. Now, live trading, live streaming, those are earners tiers. And he actually just did this. He might still be in it. But he goes on and does live trading with SPY or QQQ usually, and it's him showing you live on his platform that he's buying and trading with, how many contracts he's doing, why he's doing it, at what level he's hoping the chart candles to hit a certain EMA, and if they don't, what's next, that kind of thing. So he's speaking educationally as he goes in the live trade. As far as live learning goes, I also do some lives in here. Here's mine right there. We covered the orb strategy, which is an opening range of breakout, which is the first thing you do in the morning of standard days. These last 2-3 days of the market have been just bearish, obviously awfully red, so you just go with that. But on normal days, when we've got things calm down and you want to know how to do it, orb is a great one, and we covered that. It was like 2 hours. It was wonderful. Jordan does one too. He runs his almost all day long. We have notifications set of things as well, so you can click on our names, our experts here, and then get notified when we post into our channels. All of these experts right here to the left, you'll see, they're only accessible in the earners tier, right? Earners or expert of the week, you do get access as a learner. So this is where one expert is chosen per week to go in and fill the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, with something interesting of what their specialty is. Mine's Greeks of options, hence Greeks Geek, sorry. And in here, I will show you all sorts of different things. Here's a live, here's futures, videos on futures, live trading. I did some live trading on futures right here. Here's a play I did. I explained why I did it, what I did do right, what I did wrong. Here's an error I made right here. I was being selfish. I wanted to keep going. I didn't want to sell out. And I'm here to teach as well. And so there's an error I made. And so we've got lots of interactions, little emoji things that keep things fun. And here's a live I did the other day about this was a quick 10-minute one, just about the charts. The chats, they're killer. These chats are so fun. Ask an expert goes to all of us experts, and of course the admin, Mo, and all them. They can answer these questions. This is more like specific questions, not like how do I use this or that, but lots of different questions being made here. Here's my link as well. So let's go into the options chat real quick. And this is the majority of our chats are in options chat room. You don't have to be in options to use this chat. You can, just join in and talk lots of stuff. I mean, this is all today. I mean, we have to scroll to get to yesterday. We're still in, here's somebody. Bought an hour ago, Lexus, bought an hour ago, TSLL call, 20 contracts, $645 in an hour. Here's Stock Moto. Here he is. He's chatting about something. So he joins us all the time. All the time. We do GIFs, lots of GIFs. GIFs are fun. Screenshots. more funny GIFs. Okay, moving on. You have the tools, lots of different tools, crypto tools, due diligence tool, earning bots, advanced charting. You get this in the earners tier only. These are just one. Breadbot is a specialized, unique algorithm setup that is just by Mo, and it shows you between the EMA and RSIs where the system might be taking you. System meaning the market. right? So here's some bearish RSI cross. Oh, looking a little more bullish, so you can go and put your own in here if you want to do that. You can come down here to the bottom. I'm way up here at the top. And you can go ahead and type in your own ticker, and it will plop out a chart for you and give you an idea. So if you don't see one in here recently, Jammer used one here, Lindsay Thompson used one here, Matt, John, all his members, they did their own little tickers here. Bots, different bots, bullseye ones are really fun. When you have a more stable market, these bullseyes are amazing. This is an AI algorithm basically, and it pulls in from TradyTix.com, and it tells you what the big hedgies and big wigs are doing and what they're buying and strike prices, all of that. You can try to copy that if you want to, or just use it for your own research, paper trade it. Amazing stuff. All these crypto charts. Crypto Will is one of our crypto guys. He's right here. Yeah, so we have crypto people in here. We've got stocks, we've got options, we've got a lot of people like the Fed Reserve stuff. They'll post information in here all the time about Fed Reserve things. Here's a general stock talks. There's a chat in the general set of things that go over all sorts of stuff. Here's Mo, just posted this, talking about the fear and the greed index and all of that stuff. Yeah, he just posted that, what, 10:50? So an hour ago. So I'm zoomed up. So much in here, and I'm blowing through this as fast as I can, so I don't want to make this a long video for you. Come join us. Come over. It's a little bit of a fee, and these days, I know $50 could go a long way when you aren't blowing it into Starbucks or fast food, and I understand, but we're here to learn. So if you are here to invest in your future, want to learn more, be self-educated, it does not. A lot of us have not had any college in financial world. Stock Mo and all him, yeah, of course, he's got all of his securities and everything, but not all of us do. We have been teaching ourselves with the group or come in through experience, and we join. Again, we're here to educate and learn together. We're not here to copy, so I don't need to have Security 7. I don't need to have all of those licenses. I'm not going to tell you what to do. None of us here will tell you what to do. We're not here for financial advice. All right, just being very upfront with you. We are all very upfront. We're very honest and very, very approachable, very kind. But we're gonna keep it legal, of course. And it's a great spot. Great spot. Come over, join us in this notification spot. Click my name, Greeks Geek, when you join, and it will notify you every time I post in my channel. It'll tell, hey, you got, it'll be a little red dot next to my name, and it'll show you everything, chats, all that good stuff. Come over, try us out, and if you join us through this YouTube channel, give me a shout out. I would love to see where this traffic comes from live with some real people that want to learn, want to make money, and this is a great time. The market is down bad right now, right? I mean, we're down like $35 in the last 2 days, $40 last 2 days on the SPY and the Qs. Everything is just, well, as you saw that last fear, extreme fear. Oh my goodness, right? This is a great time to get in. I know it might be financially difficult to be losing in your investments, but also be paying for membership. But then, oh, I'm sorry, my phone's going off. But then you can learn as we go back up, because this is short term. The market is going to rebound at some point. And on the bottom is the best time to get in, because then you've got only gains. Come on over, see us, Front and Options. Give me a shout out when you get there, and let me know what you think about the channel, YouTube channel, the Discord, all of that good stuff. And I would love to see you there, chat with you there, and we'll have a great time. If there's any problems, after the month you don't like it, it's not worth it, then we'll part ways. Otherwise, you're there making money like I am. Like I said, I was a paying member, and now I'm an expert on Mo's panel. And you never know where things are going to go. I never thought I would be able to join him like this when I first started paying as a member, wanting to learn more. Well over a year ago. And yeah, so see you out there. I'll post the links in for Discord over in the description. Go ahead and I think I also have one in my main channel description as well. Click on that, use this link, get access, get in there,